morning, Standard 5. Children, today I am going to start with a new topic, numerical expression involving decimal numbers. In the previous class, I have explained the numerical expression involving the fractional number and simple natural number. So here children, the method is same. The method is whenever we are solving this numerical expression, we have to follow the rule DMAS. D is for division, M is for multiplication, A is for addition, S is for subtraction. So firstly, whenever there are more than two or more than mathematical operations are there in order to solve the simplification, so we have to firstly start with division, then after that multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. So here we are going to solve the decimal numbers. For example, 1.7 plus 2.5 minus 1.8 divided by 0.9. So here all of you see that 1.7 plus, this is an operation, 2.5 minus, it is also an operation, 1.8 divided by, it is a mathematical operation, 0.9. So here one thing you have to understand, that the mathematical operation after the digit after the mathematical operation plus 2.5. So it is together plus 2.5. The digit after the mathematical operation, it is belong to that addition. It is with this addition sign, plus 2.5. Now minus 1.5, 1.8. So 1.8 is with the minus sign. It means we have to do subtraction, subtracting 1.8 from the number, divided by 0.9. So division sign and 0.9 are together. So here now let us start. Firstly, which operation we will do? Plus minus division. So division sign we will do first. Firstly, what we will do? We will divide. We will do division, right? 1.8 divided by 0.9. So here all of you see 1.8 divided by 0.9. So here whenever we are doing the division, the answer is how you will divide it. So 1.8 divided by 0.9, it means it is equal to, we have to remove this decimal from the denominator. Firstly we have to remove this decimal from the denominator. Here the after decimal only one digit is there, so I will multiply the numerator and denominator with 10. 1.8 multiplied with 10 and 0.9 is also multiplied with 10. Now after that it will get 18 by 9. Now which will give you 2. So 1.8 divided by 0.9 is 2. So here how we will write down. Next step is 1.7 plus 2.5 minus, what is the answer? Answer is 2. 1.8 divided by 0.9 is 2. Now next mathematical operation is plus. So 1.7 plus and 2.5. So this plus sign is in between 1.7 and 2.5. So we will solve it. Second step. Second step we will do addition. We will add 1.7 and 2.5. So let us add 1.7 and 2.5. We do the addition. 7 plus 5, 12, 2, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4. It is 4.2. Right? So here I will write after addition, it is 4.2. 4.2 minus 2. Now lastly we have to do this third step, is we have to subtract. Correct? We have to do subtraction. So 4.2 minus 2 is equals 2.2. So this is the answer after simplifying. simplification. So now let us move to worksheet number 3. So here in worksheet number 3, worksheet number 3 of unit number 8. Worksheet number 3, unit 8. Right? So here only one question is there, simplify. So question number A, 1.1 plus 2.5 minus 1.5. So here we see that addition operation and minus sign. So which one we will do first? We will do addition first. Right? So we add 1.1 plus 2.5. So after addition it is 1.1 and then 2.5, write in column and then do addition. 1 plus 5, 6, decimal 2 plus 1, 3. So it is 3.6. So here you have to write 3.6 minus 1.5. Now we will do the subtraction. This is the second step, subtract. So here we write down these two numbers in column, 3.6 and 1.5. Subtract 6 minus 5 is 1 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So here the answer is, after subtraction, it is 2.1. Answer is 2.1. Right? So this is the answer. So in this way we subtract. What I have done, firstly, in among the addition and subtraction, according to the rule of simplification, that is DMAS. So addition is coming first, then subtraction comes. So firstly we will do the addition operation. 1.1 plus 2.5. Here we get 3.6. Now we write 3.6 minus 1.5. Then we do subtraction sign. So after subtracting this 3.6 and 1.5, we get 2.1. 2.1 is the answer. Now let us come to the next example. Next example is B. 2.3 plus 1.2 multiplied by 0.5 minus 0.9. So here all of you see this addition sign, multiplication sign and subtraction sign. Right? Subtraction sign. So which one I will start first? We will do firstly this multiplication. Firstly we multiply. Okay. So 1.2 into 0.5. We do the multiplication. It is 12 5s are 60. 2 decimal. How many decimal number after decimals are there? Let us count. 1 and 2. So here I will start with from right to left, 1 and 2. So this is the answer. Now here I will write down 2.3 plus 0.6 minus 0.9. Now here plus sign and minus sign. So we will do second step, addition. So we add 2.3 plus 0.6. So 2.3 and 0.6 is how much? 3 plus 6, 9. Decimal 2 plus 0, 2. It is 2.9. Correct? Now here we write down this 2.9 minus 0.9. Now we have to do subtraction. Last step is subtract. When we are subtracting 2.9 minus 0.9, the answer is 2. So this is the answer. What I have done, let us see again, recapitulate. 2.3 plus 1.2 multiplied by 0.5 minus 0.9. So here addition, multiplication, subtraction. According to the rule of DMAS, this multiplication we will solve first. So we multiply 1.2 and 0.5. So after multiplication we get 0.6. Now here 2.3 plus, for this I have written 0.6 minus 0.9. Now here firstly addition and subtraction. Which one I will solve? Addition. 2.3 plus 0.6. So after solving it, doing addition, we get 2.9. Now for 2.3 plus 0.6, I have written, for this operation I have written 2.9. This is the answer after solving this operation. Now I have written minus, then 0.9. Now at last we will do the subtraction operation here. So 2.9 minus 0.9 is 2. So 2 is the answer. Let us take another example. See, 28.9 minus 20.8 plus 3.9. So here all of you see that minus and plus. Which one we will do? Plus sign. This is minus sign, this is plus sign. So we will start plus sign. So here we will see that this, firstly see, look at here carefully. 28.9. So it is positive. There is no sign before this number. It means it is plus sign, right? Minus 20.8. 20.8 is having minus sign. And plus 3.9. 3.9 is having plus sign. So let us arrange this number. Plus sign will be taken together. So we collect this plus sign and plus sign together. So we write down 28.9 plus 3.9. Firstly, we arrange this plus sign and plus sign together. We bifurcate. We bifurcate this plus sign and minus sign separately. So plus and plus will be together, and then after that we have written 20.8. Right? Now we have to solve. Now here it is clear. 28.9 plus 3.9 minus 20.8. So here plus operation will be done first. So we will do addition first. Right? So 28.9 plus 3.9. So we arrange it in the column 28.9, 3.9. We do the addition. 9 plus 9, 18, 8, 1 carry over, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 2, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1, 3. So it is 32.8. So here we will write down for this operation 28.9 plus 3.9, we write 32.8. Now we put minus sign 20.8. Now it is clear, only one operation is there, we have to do subtraction. We subtract. So here 32.8 minus 20.8. So answer is 12.0. So this is the answer. So in this way what I have done, so look here carefully, that 28.9 minus 20.8 plus 3.9. So most of the children you used to do the wrong, that you have firstly you try it plus sign, we have to do plus sign. So what you do that you firstly you solve this one. It is wrong because this 20.8 is having negative sign, minus sign. So it is wrong to solve these two number first. This is plus sign, this is also plus sign. 28.9 means plus 28.9. So 28.9 plus 3.9. This to be taken together. These are both are having plus sign. So we will solve these two numbers. We will add this number first. Not we have to do this 20.8 plus 3.9. No, this is wrong. We cannot add this 20.8 plus 3.9 because 20.8 is having negative sign. Always remember that. So here solving 28.9 plus 3.9, both are positive, दोनों plus sign है, ये भी plus sign, ये भी plus sign, दोनों को एक साथ लिखो 28.9 plus 3.9, then put minus sign, then 20.8. मैंने plus sign को और minus sign को अलग किया है, arrange कर लिया. 28.9 plus 3.9 after addition it gives you 32.8. Now write down for this 28.9 plus 3.9 is 32.8 minus 20.8. Then at last we will do subtraction. We will have to do simply subtraction. We get 12.0. This is the answer. So children, in this way you have to solve this worksheet number 3. Right? So this worksheet number 3 is your classwork. Your C work is worksheet number 3. So fully one more question, there is a doubt, maybe doubt will arise. Question is here. Question is D, that is 5.3 plus 6 into 0.05 minus 2.1. Right? So here you see that firstly we do the multiplication. Okay. So 5.3 plus, so 6 into 0.05 is 0.3. Okay. 0.3 minus 2.1. Now we will do addition. It is very simple. It is 5.6. Now we minus, write down minus 2.1. So after subtraction it is 3.5. So similarly you have to do all the operations very carefully. Correct? Now here let us start with the second step, that is brain teaser. So in brain teaser, question number 1 is you have to choose the correct option. In brain teaser of unit number 8. So question number 1, choose the correct option for the following. So here in question number 1, the question is A. Choose the correct option. 8 minus 5 plus 2. So what is the answer? So firstly what we do, that you have to choose the correct option. Which option will be the correct answer? So here minus and plus. So here again you see 8 minus 5 plus 2. 8 means plus 8. Plus 8 minus 5 plus 2. So here firstly we will take this addition sign together. So 8 plus 2 will be put together. Then we write 5. So 8 plus 2 is 10 minus 5. Then it is equal to 5. So 5 is the correct answer. What is the correct answer? 5. And it is the second option. It is the second option. Right? So similarly you have to solve question number 1. Now come to question number 2. It is the simplification. It is the simplification of mixed type of number, that is fraction number, decimal number and the whole number. So let us take example. Firstly, simple whole number, that is question number 2a. That 108 divided by 12 plus 46 minus 14. So here you see that division sign, addition sign, minus sign. Which one we will do? We firstly do divide. Right? So 108 divided by 12 is equal to what? Equal to 9. 12 9s are 100. So for this operation I will write 9, then put plus, then 46 minus 14. Now here it is clear, plus 9 plus 46. So we will do this operation second time. This is addition. So 9 plus 46, it is 55 minus 14. So now lastly we will do this. So 55 minus 14 is equal to 41. Here what I have done, 108 divided by 12 plus 46 minus 14. So we have to do division first. So we will solve it. 108 divided by 12. So firstly after doing the division we get 9. So we put 9 for this. 108 divided by 12 के लिए 9 लिखेंगे, फिर plus, फिर 46, फिर minus 14. Now next step is we have to do addition. 9 plus 46. So after doing operation it is 55. Now we put down minus sign and 14. Now 55 minus 14 we have to do subtraction. This is 41. Now let us take another example. Another example is B. 16 plus 9 minus 3 multiplied by 12 divided by 6 minus 5. So here plus, minus, multiply, division, minus. So here all the 4 operations are there and minus sign is repeated. Right. So firstly we will do division. First step. Okay. 12 divided by 6. It is equal to 2. For this division, now here see 16, we write down as it is the number, plus 9 minus 3 multiply. For this 12 and 6 I will write down 2. Now we put this minus sign, minus 5. Right. Now here we will do the multiplication. Multiply. So 3 2s are 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So here we will write 16 plus 9 minus, for 3 into 2 I will write 6 minus 5. Now here all of you see that's plus 16 plus 9. These are arranged together, minus 6 minus 5. Now here all of you see 16 plus 9. Minus is column. We will take common. We will take minus sign. 2 minus signs are there. So I will take minus sign as a column and then 6 plus 5. Right. This is an integer formula. So whenever the two negative sign, then it will be converted into addition, but the sign will always remain the negative. जब भी दो नेगेटिव माइनस है तो माइनस और माइनस को एडिशन करना होता है, लेकिन साइन ऑलवेज नेगेटिव होता है. तो माइनस और माइनस में से माइनस को कॉमन निकाल लिया और 6 प्लस 5 इन दोनों को ऐड कर दिया. तो अब ये 16 प्लस 9 इसको पहले करेंगे तो 16 प्लस 9 इज व्हाट? इट इज 24. 5 माइनस, इफ इसको भी आप ऐड करो 6 + 5 इट इज़ 11. सो लास्टली 25 और 11 को माइनस करो, कितना आया 14. सो आंसर इज 14. ये थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है, ध्यान से देखो. 16 + 9 - 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 - 5. दिस इज द ऑपरेशन. तो सबसे पहले डिवीजन करेंगे 12 और 6 का. तो 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 इज इक्वल टू 2. अब देखो 16 को लिखा प्लस, फिर 9, फिर माइनस, प्लस, फिर 3, फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन. इतना सारा रिपीट, इसी को एज इट इज लिखा. ठीक है, यहाँ तक लिखा. उसके बाद 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 का क्या आंसर आया है 2. यहाँ पे 2 लिखा, अगेन -5. अब देखो, अब यहाँ पे है प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल ऑफ डिमास वी हैव टू डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन किसका करूँगी 3 और 2 का. तो 3 2 जा क्या होता है 6. अगेन आई हैव टू राइट डाउन एज इट इज 16 + 9 माइनस, अप टू माइनस साइन हम लिखेंगे इसको. देन फॉर 3 × 2 आई हैव रिटन 6, देन पुट माइनस, देन 5. क्लियर. अब ये देखो 16 + 9 -6 -5, यहाँ पे 2 बार माइनस है, तो माइनस और माइनस से माइनस को कॉमन ले लो और 6 और 5 को ऐड कर दो. जब भी ये इंटीजर का फॉर्मूला है कि माइनस एंड माइनस इट बिकम्स प्लस, बट साइन इज ऑलवेज रिमेन द माइनस. जैसे -2 -2, तो -2 इज -4, राइट. So this thing you will learn in the further class. So simple is minus and minus. I have taken minus common and 6 और 5 को put the addition sign. So 16 + 9 is 25 minus 6 + 5 is 11. So it is equal to 14. So in this way you have to do question number 2. So children, in this question number 2, I hope you have understood it. So if you have any problem, you may inquire, you may clear your doubt during the live classes. Now question number 3 is you have to do the comparison is there. Question number 3, simplify. Firstly in question number 3 you have to simplify and then compare. उसके बाद आपको compare करना है, right? Simplify and compare. तो first question है कि 15 - 3 × 2 + 3. कंपेयर करना है 15 - 3 + 2 × 3. तो पहले इसको सिंप्लीफाई करोगे, देन इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. ठीक है, पहले इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. 15 - 3 + × 2 + 3. तो इसका क्या होगा 15 - 6 + 3. अब ये 15 और 3 कितना होता है 18 - 6 इट इज इक्वल टू 12. ये वाला हो गया 12, पहला हुआ 12. अब दूसरे पे आओ 15 - 3 + 2 × 3. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे 15 - 3 + 2 × 3 6. ठीक है, अब ये प्लस साइन 15 और 6 एक जगह हो जाएगा. 21 - 3. 21 - 3 इज व्हाट 21 - 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. It is 18. So here you see that it is 12 and it is 18. So which one is more? The second one is more. So similarly you have to do the question. So brain teaser is your homework. So question number 1, 2, 3 is your homework. So brain teaser unit number 8 is homework. Question number 1, 2 and 3. So children, hope each and every concept is discussed here in this class. So if you have any problem we will discuss in the live classes. So till then, goodbye, Shabbat. Bye bye children.